Hi guys, welcome back to the layout. First thing is that I did get a new phone, so the video quality will be much better since it's a better quality camera. And also I got a new engine, the ES44DC by InterMountain with DCC and Loksound number 5301. It's a great engine. I got it yesterday off of Model Train stuff. Well, not yesterday. It came yesterday in the mail. And I like it so because I've already ran it, and I just didn't have time to do it yesterday. But you can see separately applied grab irons, has nice, clear, legible numbers. The top, you can see all the warning stickers and stuff. Nice, sturdy handrails there. And let's turn it on to hear some sounds. Once I get the cable, plug it into my NCE power cab. This does have a minute, I think it's a startup minute delay to where if you start it up, you can't go right away. It takes like a minute, which is the default. Everything's already defaulted. You could set it on 2 minute or right when it starts up, you can go. So like right now, I could, if I wanted to, it just brake release, but it doesn't go anywhere. So you see headlights right there. Obviously F7 dimmer brighter. F5 function 5 turns on the number boards, and that'd be a great view. And F6 turns on the ditch lights, which with the ditch lights they do flash when you blow the horn. But here's the bell first, and here's the horn. And then once you stop blowing the horn, the ditch lights will flash for another like 5 or 6 seconds. As you see right there, they go solid. So as that's warming up, we can do a pressing sequence. And then the ditch lights go solid. And then on the back, if you hit reverse, headlight on the back does go on. So since I have more room forward, let's put it in forward and go up 1 speed step. See, very smooth drive, not a lot of jerkiness since I haven't been able to brake this in still. I'm still waiting for a booster. 2 speed steps. 3, 4, 5, 6, and step. And then reverse, yeah, 1 speed step. I like the little brake release when you put it in when you put power to it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the decrease or increase fast, my bad, up to 10 speed step to 128. And I did already put momentum into it, so let's stop it. Reverse, let's do 20 backwards. Let's stop it. So very good engine overall. I like it, and I think it would work great once I finish that all those coal cars right there. It's supposed to come. It's supposed to be. I think I can fit 10, at least 10 in there. And if I have more room, I'll buy one at a time until I run out of room. So I'll leave it off with a very slow drive-by with a crossing sequence. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, comment, and hopefully when I do get a booster, which I want to get one by the end of the year, I will upload run videos and stuff. So here we go. Thank you for watching my video, and